The only seabird that almost took Mumble as a snack in Happy Feet is the giant petrel. Southern giant petrels are slightly larger than northern giant petrels. The southern version can weigh up to 17.6 pounds, a length of up to 83 inches across the wings, and a length of 39 inches in body length. The northern giant petrel can weigh up to 11 pounds, a length of up to 83 inches across the wing, and a length of 39 inches in body length. Giant petrels are known to be extremely aggressive predators and scavengers. An interesting thing about giant petrels is that if they are threatened or provoked, they will use their stomach content or their stomach oils, which contains wax, ester, and triglycerides, to spray their predators or those that provoke it pretty much. In addition to that, these juices are highly nutritious and protein-rich food for chicks.